it's me, Alex, your sassy dispatch girl. And today we're going to be talking about how to open trucking company. Well, most of you know that we offer webinar, 3-hour intense hands-on webinar. We do it monthly and you can find a schedule on our site, learndispatchtoday.com. Please follow me on YouTube channel Learn Dispatch Today and do not miss my monthly talk with Sassy Dispatch Girl. But let's go back to our subject. How important is to know the steps how to open trucking company? Well, many of you know trucking company is not that easy to start because it involves a lot of investments. First, you need to buy a trailer and truck. You need to make sure you have at least one CDL driver. But besides that, you need to know the steps. That's what we do in that training. We go by steps. What is first? What is second? What is third? What is a UCR registration? What is IFTA? What are the permits? Kentucky, New Mexico, Oregon, New York. When do you need to open clearinghouse account? Well, do you need a drug and alcohol program? Do you need to have policies ready for your drivers, for hiring, for employment check? How are you going to organize your business? Will you survive without factoring? Well, guys, lots and lots of questions. That's why I start doing that webinar to help you to succeed. People asking me, Alex, 3 hours and you can give us a guide? Well, guys, yes, it is intense training and we will have lots of topics to discuss. After our webinar, you're gonna receive all the links. You're gonna understand what you have to do. I guess what? $149 and you're gonna save thousands of dollars. And you're gonna go and file your own MC, your own USDOT. You will know what is a BOC3 filing. What do you need to know? How to create all the accounts with states which require permits. Lots of information. What about ELD logs, right? Do you have a provider? Which factoring would I recommend? Will you need insurance? What kind of insurance? Is it only liability? Is it only cargo? Will you need a physical? Do you need to have occupational and worker compensation? Guys, it's so much information and sometimes you guys get advices from your friends which is not really the ones you should follow. Lots of people don't really want to tell you how to do it successfully. That's why sign up for my webinar and I will make sure you succeed. Because I am your sassy dispatch girl, but also I want to make sure you succeed in trucking. I am on a mission to change trucking for better. And once again, it's me, Alex, and I'll see you soon. We have those webinars monthly and we will succeed together. Sign up today, not tomorrow, not yesterday, because tomorrow you will be already owning your first trucking company and hopefully with my help, my safety and compliance training, my dispatch training, you're gonna become mega carrier. You don't need to rebuy MC. You don't need to go and work for somebody else. You can have your dream. You can start your business from the scratch and you can succeed. Your big dreams can come true with only 3 hours of intense training.